how to refund CapCut Pro. So if you want to refund CapCut Pro, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to tap on your name, and from the name you need to scroll down, go with media and purchases, and tap on view account. Just wait for a few seconds, and then you need to go with purchase history. From here you want to then change your filters and find the purchase history. So if I go with the last 90 days and then go with the tick which will be in the top, then you may have your CapCut monthly subscriptions. In my case, I don't have any monthly subscriptions for CapCut Pro, but if you have any subscriptions, or if you have taken some, then you will have all of the purchase history right here. So what you need to do is just simply click on the monthly subscription that you've taken, and then you need to select report a problem now. What this will do is it will log you into your app account, and then it will give you an option to request a refund. You can go with the drop down, select the refund option, and then go with next. But you need to select the reason why you want the refund, and after selecting your reason, just go with submit, and after submitting you will get your refund. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.